This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 23rd, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the news. According to the Energy Department, gasoline supplies climbed for a third week, up 1.5 million barrels, or 196.7 million, for the week ending May 18th. Crude supplies rose for a fifth straight week, up 2 million barrels at 344.2 million. Distillate stocks were up 500,000 barrels at 120.3 million. Following the news, July crude was down about 6 cents at $65.45 a barrel. The White House said President Bush will likely veto legislation under consideration in the House that would require the Federal Trade Commission to define price gouging and set fines and criminal penalties for companies and executives found guilty of gouging fuel consumers. In a formal statement of administration policy, the White House said the bill amounts to price controls that would prevent energy companies from responding to market signals, potentially exacerbating fuel shortages. The People's Bank of China governor, under pressure from American officials and lawmakers to reduce his country's record trade surplus, said China plans to further increase flexibility and the yuan's exchange rate. Last week, China increased the amount it lets the yuan move against the dollar and raised interest rates to cool growth and cool a swelling trade surplus. BHP Billiton is in early-stage talks with Alcan as the Montreal aluminum producer tries to fend off an unwanted $27 billion offer from Alcoa. A combination of the two aluminum producers would create a company with $54 billion in revenue and clinch Alcoa's spot as the world's largest producer of aluminum. Walgreens announced that it has completed its purchase of Take Care Health Systems, which operates healthcare clinics. The acquisition will enable the rollout of a variety of patient-focused healthcare services. It expects to have more than 400 clinics in its Walgreens stores by the end of 2008. Strite-Rite traded more than 30% higher, rallying after discount shoe retailer Payless Shoe Source said it will buy the company for about $800 million in cash as a part of a bid to move up market. Payless will also take on Strite-Rite's debt. The agreement has been approved unanimously by both boards of both companies. Payless says it plans to change its name to Collective Brands, Inc. and will operate as a holding company with 3 standalone units. In earnings news, Target reported its first quarter profit rose almost 18%, although revenue was just shy of analyst expectations. The retailer said it earned $651 million, or 75 cents per share, during the quarter that ended May 5th, up from $554 million, or 63 cents per share, during the same quarter last year. Revenue of $14.04 billion was up 9% from $12.86 billion a year ago. Dillard's reported first quarter profits of $42.9 million, down 30% from last year. Dillard's earned 53 cents per share for the quarter compared to 77 cents per share in the quarter ago. Analysts projected Dillard's profit would post around 73 cents per share. Scheduled economic reports for Thursday include the initial jobless claims for the week of May 19th, durable goods orders for April, and new home sales for April. Scheduled earnings reports for Thursday include Toll Brothers, Aeropostal, Flower Foods, Sanderson Farms, American Semiconductor, Barnes & Noble, Frontier Airlines, Ann Taylor Stores, Gap, Mylan Labs, and Toro. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 23rd, 2007.